Who wants some jerky? Do you want some jerky? Do you want some jerky? I've got jerky. Well, if that's how you feel about it, I'll just eat it. Mmm, jerky. Oh! Somebody wants some jerky then. Huh. Mmm. Mmm. That's a hard piece of jerky. You want some? Okay, sweetie. You can't have that big of a piece. Not what you want? Hmm? Okay, hold on. You don't get jerky. Oh, you really want... No. Here. Here. That's for you. Yeah. Well, come on, show me you want it. Kitty. Show me you want it. You lazy good for nothing. There we go. Yeah. Jerky freak. You don't get jerky. No. You don't like jerky. He likes jerky. Oh! Did you see how big that piece was you just ate? Huh? No, my jerky. My jerky. Kitty. My jerky. Alright. You are a jerky addict. I want you to know. Come on. Well, don't you want it? You can do better than that. There you go. Good boy. Go eat your jerky. Good kitty. No jerky for you. You won't eat jerky. You just think you will. I'll give you some, but you won't eat it. You won't. There you go. That's what I thought. Oh, the evil jerky attacks. Oh, look, she doesn't want it. Ah, but he'll eat it. Pig.